Your Samsung Galaxy is stuck on the Samsung logo and won't boot up? It's a serious problem, but most of the time, it can be fixed without losing your data. With just a few steps, you can get your phone working again. Let's fix it right now. Before we start, charge your phone and press and hold the power button to restart. If this trick doesn't work, then follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Boot your phone into safe mode. First, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously. Hold them until the Samsung logo appears, then release the power button. But hold the volume down button until the phone restarts. Now it will help your phone open. And now look at the bottom left of the screen. You can see that safe mode is enabled. Now restart your phone again. Your safe mode will be disabled. Solution 2. Wipe cache partition. Press and hold on the volume up and power buttons together until you see the Samsung Galaxy logo appear. Then your Android recovery mode will open. Now use the volume up and down button to scroll down and up, and tap the power button as well. Now scroll down to find the wipe cache partition using the volume down button. Then tap on the power button to OK. Then select yes and tap OK. And that's it. Now you have to reboot your system to back on. To do that, select Reboot System Now. Then tap OK. It will reboot. Wait for a while. Solution 3. Perform a factory reset. Again, press and hold the volume up and power buttons together until you see the Samsung logo appear. Then your Android recovery mode will open. Now scroll down to find the wipe data/factory reset using the volume down button. It's located at the top of the wipe cache partition. So, now tap on the power button to OK, then select Factory Data Reset. Remember that by doing a factory reset, you will lose all of your data, but it could help you solve this problem. And that's all for today. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.